How do you evaluate a power with a negative exponent? You rewrite the power into a fraction. You do this by writing 1 in the numerator and the power in the denominator. When the power is put in the denominator, you change the sign of the exponent. Minus becomes plus. You can also do this if you have a positive exponent, but in that case, the exponent becomes negative when put in the denominator. Let's call this Rule 4. Rule 4 states that a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power of n. Let's look at an example. Evaluate 4 to the power of minus 2. You use the rule and create a fraction with 1 in the numerator and 4 squared in the denominator. Because 4 squared is equal to 16, you can write this as 1/16. But why does this work? Let's look at the expression a to the power of minus n. You can write this as a to the power of 0 minus n because 0 minus n equals minus n. Now you have a power with a subtraction expression as an exponent. Using one of the power rules from earlier, Rule 2, you rewrite this power into a fraction, where you have a to the power of 0 in the numerator and a to the power of n in the denominator. Recall from Rule 3 that a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This means that a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power of n. Now you can see where the 1 in the numerator came from. It came from a to the 0th power. Let's look at a final example. Write x to the power of minus 4 as a power with a positive exponent. You make a fraction with 1 in the numerator and put the power with a positive exponent in the denominator. 1 over x to the 4th power. X to the power of minus 4 equals 1 over x to the 4th. You evaluate a power with a negative exponent by writing it as a fraction. The fraction gets 1 as its numerator, while the power's sign in the exponent is changed, and the power is placed in the denominator.